got this in today in the mail, the PB Fish swim bait that I've been hearing about, and one of my fishing buddies told me about that people have been talking good about from the TikTok shop, the PB swim bait. So if you will open this up. Alright. And there's the Slow Sinking PB Glide swim bait from the TikTok shop. I'm pretty sure that will bring you right to it. Scan that QR code. 6-inch, 2.5 ounces. I'll take it out of the package and take a look at it. Alright, here it is, out of the package. Feels really nice. Got this pretty neat tail right here. Oh, can't wait to try this one out, just like all my other swim baits. Just like up there, I got the Finisher 9, off to the right is Finisher 7. I picked up a couple of those as well, something new to me as well. I'm always willing to try out new things when it comes to fishing. Here, it's got some, nice rattling in there. Nice, smooth feel to it. Quite realistic. Got the awesome treble hooks. Alright, well, there's the unboxing of the PB Glide Bait, Glide Swim Bait.